Morning, Lester, listen to me. I never sent out any video. Morning, Mr. Lester. I have one video for sure. I have one video on my phone. Two videos at least for sure. Or the one policeman and near my pussy night.
Update pan the licky policeman. John was star this man in a sticky situation right here now. People, the man out for kill himself. And another that alone, me get for understand who leaked the video. Well, a two culprit there and a two female. And me know you don't want to miss that. So, just grab a, what if I say no? Don't grab no ice cream. Don't grab no ice cream. Grab a drinks and mind the type of drinks you grab, you see me? Grab a red stripe beer and sit back and listen. Chaddy more TV attack. Alright?
How my pussy taste?
Ice cream.
What kind of flavor?
No do that.
What did make us all lunch in an island with our KFC? It's weird, they already have lunch.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Chaddy more TV.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, y'all check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, remember, with the over Teespring, yes, we have merch to sell. Yes, just head on over to teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMoreTV. So that's teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMoreTV. Yeah, go and go get some bad merch. So immediately after me upload the last video with the police, man, I deal with the zoom away. Me get a next voice note on my phone and me I said, John Star, are them things you are going? Oh, really? She leaked the video? I really the what? I the what? I really the side pick. I want out of them two girls leak the video, you know, and we have proof. But we are going to talk about how this police officer did upon suicide watch and out for kill himself, John Star. Brother, may I tell you the honest truth, you know. You see, in times like these, when things are going and things are happen, things leak where you don't want to leak. You see me? You see, if you make the argument die down, you have to just face it. Anyway, people, a serious note still. We here say the hombre out for damaging himself, and we don't want that. And the whole of social media go viral on the whole topic. Everybody and their mother I talk about this topic. You see me? I share memes. So we understand how it go on a social media. But brother, may I tell you, you see by next week it blew off. No pun intended. Jano Star. Me can't talk about them topic with a straight face in it. Anyway, people, this is the voice note me get where the brother say he want do some things to himself and Ray. So listen this.
I was overdose myself with some tablet today. Overdose myself and go to KPH today. You cause him something here now. Answer your phone, I'm going to talk to you. Answer your phone. You're going to make it get worse now, you know. I'm going to do something more wicked to myself, you know. Why you want to do them something? Yeah, why?
No, people, me I go telling you the honest truth where God love. I am not 100% sure that the person on that recording is indeed the culprit, Mr. Ethan. Because one part of the voice note were kind of sketchy and at this part.
Overdose myself and go to KPH today. You cause him something here now.
Clue number one is that if he go hospital, he wouldn't go to KPH. He would go Port Antonio Public Hospital because of Portland the hombre forward from, which me don't tell you already in the previous video. Clue number two, it personally just sound like them a act. I don't know. But what me can say for a fact, is that the umbrella upon suicide watch for true and them take him off a frontline duty, but them have him on close watch. Close watch. I can't tell you how me know that, but you just have to trust me. As I say, watch a previous video and you get an understanding from where I am coming from. Why, Chaddy? Anyway, but people, this is where the situation gets sticky, and this is where the real mix up forward from. Now, in the previous video, I played a voice note of the alleged girl in the video. I say, and she leak it out. And me I go play a small snippet of it right now.
Morning, Lester, listen to me. I never sent out any video.
No, people, you hear what she say? Morning, Lester. She never sent out no video. Alright? No, people, I have another video, Jano Star. This story just get conflicting. Listen this right now.
Morning, Mr. Lester. I have one video for sure. I have one video in my phone. 2 videos at least. For sure. All the one policeman and near me. My pussy in a uniform. The man there near me. My pussy me pistol in the man mouth in the man and near me. My pussy, you know, married man. Me and tell you about police. They are police station. You want to see the man I enjoy my pussy. He the man suck me till me come. I say the man for about half hour what I sucking me get and only maybe 10 or 8 minutes what a video with me do. The way me not have no come left in me and the man search and find come left in me when the man done here more me have to stand up and a hold on because I'm weak out. Me say peace the man near me him out and me straight.
Now me confused because first she tell Lester say, yo Lester, me no send nobody the video. And now she a go call back Lester, voice note back Lester and say, Lester, yo, the man do this and that and all kind of something. Chano Star. So is either she leak the video or Lester leak the video? Because apparently Lester get the video too. And look how she a ball on social media, you know. But watch her style, yeah. The two of them are mix up because if I go tell Lester, say, yo, Lester, me never send the video. But yet still in the initial stage, she did send Lester the video. That mean Lester a liar too. So I go down Lester leak the video and that style. She go to send Lester the video. And Lester preps it one time and I said, no, me alone can't see this. Yo, bro G, forward over here, so come look for you, so. And the brother go so booms and said, dog, that go on. Send me now. I saw video go viral, you know. I saw videos go viral. Now, people, there is another theory. That's why in the beginning of the video, me say 2 people under scrutiny, but me should have said 3 because Lester too. Lester, me a pray. Anyway, people are say are the wife. People have it for say is the wife. People, listen this voice note.
The latest we get from the police and the communication network team, and the wife searching phone and find the video and send it out. And the wife do it. And the wife send out the video. She go there for and send out the dress.
No, people, I don't know. It in a phone hands now. What you think? You think it's the wife? And as well, me telling you, a good amount of people I say are the wife. I may tell you say some close source. But at the end of the day, me never did it. I never recorded it. Me never drive the vehicle. Me never there in the vicinity. You see me? As well me say, me did a Sharon house. Jano Star. Yo, it's a sticky situation and kind of feel like say this probably I get out of hand now. So this will be probably the last video I do about this situation and this topic. Because yo, the umbrella upon suicide watch. You see me? So people, I don't know. What advice would you have for the police officer now? I want to put that in the comment section. And what advice you have for the wife right now? I want to put that in the comment section again. Alright, people. Jano Star. Yo. Who know watch what I go on, you know. I make them thing, yeah. Be a lesson to uno. When uno never subscribe to the class there. Make it be a lesson. And when I thought a hitting part, you know. Why burn off that? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way. Any other way. Any other way. Any other way. Or the wrong way. My God.